everyone, and welcome back to English Explained, where learning English is easy, real, and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hello, everyone. It's so good to be here again. How are you today, Emma?
I'm great, Jack. I've had my morning tea, I did some stretching, and I'm full of energy. How about you?
I'm doing well, too. I had a strong cup of coffee, and I'm ready to talk.
Perfect. Because today, we're talking about something powerful, something that helps you in English, in work, in life, in everything.
Oh, sounds serious. What's today's topic?
Today's topic is don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done,
Ooh, I love that. That's a strong one. It sounds like a line from a motivational movie.
right? It's simple, but it's so deep. We all get tired, but this sentence says keep going, finish what you start.
Yes, and that's true for everything. From learning English to washing dishes.
Exactly. So today, we'll talk about what this really means and how we can use this idea in our daily lives.
Let's start simple. Emma, what does tired mean?
Tired means you want to rest. You feel sleepy, weak, or just not motivated. Your body or brain says, I need a break.
Exactly. Like after a long day of work. Or when you've been studying for 2 hours and your eyes want to close.
Or after editing one long video for a client.
Yes, I know that feeling.
So, being tired is normal, but here's the thing. Being tired doesn't mean you're finished.
Right. Done means the job is complete. It's over. You finished it.
So the idea is don't stop just because you feel tired. Stop when your work is done.
Let's connect this to learning English. Many students start with a lot of energy.
Yes, the first week is like, I will study every day. I will speak like a native.
Then, after 1 week,
I'm so tired. Maybe tomorrow.
exactly.
Learning English is like running a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time. And sometimes your brain feels tired before you're done.
So what do we do when we feel tired?
Good question. One trick is to make small goals.
Small goals? Like what?
Instead of saying, I'll study for 2 hours, say, I'll study for 10 minutes.
Ah, that's smart. When the goal is small, your brain doesn't feel scared.
Exactly. You start, and often after 10 minutes, you feel motivated to keep going.
So the idea is, don't stop when you're tired. Just make the goal smaller and finish that goal.
Let's talk about something everyone understands cleaning.
Oh no. The kitchen again.
Yes. You eat dinner, you're full, and the kitchen is a mess. Plates, cups, pans, everything.
You look at it and think, I'll clean tomorrow.
Yes. And then tomorrow, you wake up and the kitchen is still dirty.
And now you're not tired, but you're unhappy.
Exactly. So last night, you stopped when you were tired, not when you were done.
Right. But if you clean it before bed, you sleep better, you wake up happy, and the morning feels fresh.
That's the magic of finishing. You're tired, but proud.
Emma, I love what you said. Tired but proud. That's a great combination.
Yes. When you finish something, you get a special feeling. I call it the done feeling.
The done feeling? Tell us more.
It's that moment when you finally finish your goal. Your brain feels light. Your heart feels happy.
Yes, like after finishing a video project or completing a chapter of a book.
Or finally finishing a workout.
Right. You're tired, but it's a good tired.
Exactly. And this feeling builds confidence. It tells your brain, I can do it.
That's so true. The more you finish things, the more you trust yourself.
Jack, have you heard the phrase, small wins make big success?
Yes, and it's 100% true.
Each time you finish something small, like reading one page in English or cleaning one corner, it trains your brain to keep going.
It's like building a muscle. Every time you don't quit, that muscle gets stronger.
Yes. And one day, the small wins become big wins.
That's how people reach fluency, one small done at a time.
But Jack, sometimes people say, I'm too tired, I can't.
That's true. We all feel that. But here's a secret. Motivation doesn't come first. Action does.
Oh, I like that. Say that again.
Motivation doesn't come first. Action comes first. When you start doing something, motivation follows.
Yes. Like when I start writing a script. The first 5 minutes are hard. But after that, I feel good.
Exactly. The hardest part is starting,
So if you're tired, just start small. Maybe just open your English book.
right? Open it. Read 2 lines. Often your brain says, oh, this isn't so bad.
And suddenly, you're learning again.
Another reason people stop early is they want everything to be perfect.
Yes, perfection is a big trap.
They think, my pronunciation isn't perfect. I'll stop.
Or, I made a mistake and I'm embarrassed.
But making mistakes is part of progress.
Exactly. You don't need perfect English. You need consistent English.
Yes, progress is better than perfection. Keep moving forward, even if it's not perfect.
Let's share a little story, Jack. Do you remember when I started learning Spanish?
Oh, yes, you told me you quit once.
Yes. I studied for 1 month, then stopped because it was too hard.
And what happened?
I felt bad every time I heard someone speak Spanish. I wanted to talk, but I couldn't.
So what did you do?
I started again, but with smaller goals, just 10 minutes a day.
And?
And now I can understand basic conversations. I didn't stop when I was tired. I stopped when I was done.
That's amazing. It shows that small daily effort makes a huge difference.
Let's give our listeners 3 secrets to keep going when they're tired.
Good idea. Secret number 1, remember your why.
Yes. Why are you learning English? For travel, for work, for confidence?
Keep your why in front of you. It gives energy when you feel tired.
Secret number 2. Make it fun.
Oh, yes. Watch funny videos in English, talk to friends, play word games.
If learning feels fun, you don't feel tired as quickly.
Secret number 3, reward yourself.
Yes. After finishing your study, treat yourself, coffee, music, or maybe a walk.
The brain loves rewards. It will say, let's finish again tomorrow.
Jack, I think people who finish things have a special mindset.
Yes, they train their brain to do one thing. Keep promises to themselves.
Oh, I love that. Keep promises to yourself.
Yes. When you say, I'll study for 10 minutes, and you do it, your brain starts to trust you.
Yes, and that trust is confidence.
Exactly. Finishing builds self-respect.
So this idea, don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done, works for everything.
Learning English, exercising, cleaning, work, even relationships.
Yes, it's about giving your best, not quitting too early.
It's okay to rest, but don't quit. Rest, recharge, and continue.
Yes, rest is not quitting. Rest is part of the process.
Wow, Emma, this was really powerful. I feel inspired now.
Me too. I think I'll finally finish cleaning my closet today.
See? Don't stop when you're tired.
Stop when you're done.
To everyone listening, you are doing amazing. Learning English is not easy, but you are making progress every day.
Yes, even if you learn one new word today, that's progress.
And when you feel tired, remember, you are closer to your goal than you think.
Exactly. Keep going. You can do this.
Before we finish, we want to say thank you for listening to English Explained.
Yes, thank you. If you enjoyed today's topic, please like this video. It really helps our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends who are learning English.
Now, we have a question for you. What is one goal you want to finish this week?
Tell us in the comments. Maybe it's finishing one lesson, one page, or one small task.
We love reading your answers, and who knows? Your comment might motivate someone else.
Yes. And remember, don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Thanks for joining us. See you next time on English Explained.
Bye-bye.